welcome to this channel where we sing all sorts of songs. Today I will show you two short songs that I have been singing, each of them maybe for the last 10 years or so, maybe even longer. I don't know. Well, I've been living with these songs for quite a while. One is going to be a yodler, which we will do later on. And we get started with a nice little song that I learned at a pub singing event from my fellow singer and musician here in Munich, Simone Lautenschlager. So here we go. Yummy, 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 yummy. So how do I do? 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 Tutwa do, tutwa ye, tutwa do, tutwa ye, tutwa do, tutwa ye, tutwa do, tutwa ye. That's it basically. So let's do each part individually. Yummy, 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 yummy. I repeat it again and you can just sing along with me. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. So I did the first part several times so that you can get it into your ears. Now let's continue with the second part. I will start with the first part and then loop the second part, okay? Yummy, 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 yummy. So how do I do? 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 Second part with a loop. Same game again. We start with the first part, sing the second part, and then I will loop the third part. And here we go. Yummy, 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 yummy. So how do I do? 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 Tutwa do, tutwa ye, 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 tutwa do, tutwa ye. That's it. So 3 parts. What you can do right now, I will sing all 3 parts and I will sing the whole song twice, and you pick out one part and you can sing it over and over and over again. Or you can sing along with me. It's absolutely your choice. Or we sing it like a Canon. You start after the first part and then just join in. Yummy, this is our first note. Ta-da! Here we go. Yummy, 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 yummy. So how do I do? 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 Tutwa do, tutwa ye, tutwa do, tutwa ye, tutwa do, tutwa ye, tutwa do, tutwa ye. Yummy, 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 yummy. So how do I do? 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 Tutwa do, tutwa ye, tutwa do, tutwa ye, tutwa do, tutwa ye, tutwa do, tutwa ye. Yummy, 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 yummy. So how do I do, I do. 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 Do I get, do I do, do I get, do I do, do I get, do I do, do I get. I hope you like this one, and you can sing it over and over and over again if you scroll back on the video. So that was the first song. The second one is a yodler that comes from the Alps. Don't worry, you don't have to do that vocal thing to yodel. Nobody needs to do that. You can add it if you want to, but everybody is allowed to yodel along even without this glottal thing here, this dahi. You don't need it, you don't need it. You can try it if you want to, but you don't have to be able just in order to, sing a yodler. So I need my guitar for that one, because I'm going to teach you two different voices. I will first sing the yodler one time through for you, and you can just, listen, and maybe you find out if there is a part repeating or not, some similarities between the different parts, and it's a pretty short tune, so there is not much effort to learn it. Not more. You probably heard that the first and the third part are similar, and also the second and the fourth part are quite similar. So basically there are only two different phrases that you have to get to know. Let's get started with the first phrase, the lyrics. Jedi, Judi, holla, jedi, ri. You have to work with your mouth. Jedi, Judi, holla, jedi, ri. And if you are able to do the rolled R in front, it's gonna help you. If you can't do it, do any R that you are able to do. It's gonna be fine. Yeah. So, starting with the first phrase. First, listen. Together with me. I continue. Repeat. That's basically the whole song. Let's start again. Let's do the two phrases, one after the other. First me and then you join me. Phrase and fourth phrase. First me and then I repeat and you can join me. So third and first phrase are similar, so just sing along with me. Just the end that's a bit different. Holladio. Let's do the whole song together. So the second voice sort of interlocks with the first voice, and it starts later than the first voice. We hear the first half of the first phrase and then we come in. So it will sound like this. I start singing the first voice and then switch to the second voice. Yeah, you hear? And then you go up a step. Let's do it again together. And you can just listen to the first part of the first voice and then come in with the second voice. And I continue now. You can listen. Together with me. So the first part will sound like this, and you can already sing along with me. I start with the first voice and then switch to the second one. And now we continue. Now we sing through that phrase that repeats, and it sounds like this. Together with me. Last phrase. I start singing the first voice, dive down to the second voice, and you can join me. Nice, isn't it? And now I will sing the first voice again together with you, or you can switch to the second voice. I will now sing the second voice, and you can either sing it with me or you stay up in the first voice and continue singing that one. so much for joining this channel. Thank you so much for singing along with me a Canon and a Jodler. I hope you enjoyed singing with me. I'm glad my dog didn't wake up. She was just lying there and listening.